Welcome back to our geography series. Today we'll be diving into the fascinating world of shield volcanoes. Shield volcanoes are volcanic landforms that are characterized by their low, broad profiles and gentle slopes. These volcanoes are named after their resemblance to a warrior's shield, with a broad, rounded shape. They are primarily composed of fluid lava flows that spread out over a large area during eruptions. Shield volcanoes are typically found in areas with hotspots, where a plume of magma rises from deep within the Earth's mantle. Unlike other types of volcanoes, shield volcanoes have relatively low explosivity and tend to produce effusive eruptions. The lava emitted from shield volcanoes is usually basaltic in composition, which gives it a low viscosity and allows it to flow easily. Due to their non-explosive nature, shield volcanoes often produce long-lasting eruptions that can span several years or even decades. One of the most famous examples of a shield volcano is Mauna Loa in Hawaii, which is also the largest volcano on Earth. Mauna Loa has erupted many times in its history, covering vast areas with multiple layers of lava flows. Shield volcanoes are formed through a process known as subaerial volcanic activity, where the eruptions occur above the water level. The accumulation of layers of lava over time gradually builds up the broad and extensive shape of a shield volcano. These volcanoes are usually found in areas of tectonic activity, such as rift zones and subduction zones. In addition to their distinctive shape, shield volcanoes are also associated with other unique features, such as lava tubes and cinder cones. Lava tubes are underground channels that form when the outer surface of a lava flow cools and hardens, while the inner lava continues to flow. Cinder cones, on the other hand, are small volcanic cones that result from explosive eruptions of gas-rich magma. Shield volcanoes play a significant role in shaping the Earth's geography and are an important part of geologic history. Their eruptive patterns and lava flows can create vast lava fields, which in turn contribute to the formation of new landforms. Understanding the meaning of shield volcanoes in geography helps us comprehend the dynamic processes that shape our planet.